Here's everything you need to know about Soft99's Luxury Gloss. A liquid wax and a quick detailer product in one, Luxury Gloss delivers first and foremost a stunning deep shine, comparable to those achieved with high-end car waxes. Applying Luxury Gloss is a pure detailer's delight. Simply spray on, spread over about half a meter and buff with a microfiber cloth until a deep, satisfying shine is achieved. It's a water-based solution utilizing various waxes and oils in its formula. Use it to enhance earlier applied layers of wax or simply use it standalone on a clean paintwork. Another aspect the product is valued for is the smoothness it provides. You can achieve an incredibly slippery, wax-like paintwork in minutes, enjoying the fresh mango scent at the same time.
Luxury Gloss will also be a perfect solution for those who like their cars hydrophobic. Check out how well it repels water.
After application, the deep gloss and water-repellent properties last for up to 4 months. Luxury Gloss will work great after every major car wash, effectively boosting natural, hybrid or synthetic car waxes. We hope you liked our How to Apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.